Let me know. This is what I would really, really want you guys to really nail down. Okay. So here we go. Step number one. Maddie calls in to add her young driver. What you're going to do is you're going to gather information just like you normally always have. Okay. Their name, date of birth, driver's license number, and car they drive. Pretty easy, right? We're not changing your process yet. Next thing is our transition. Okay. This is exactly how I would say it. And there's a lot that happens with this simple transition statement. It's this. Maddie, so where Sally is going to be a youthful driver in your household, I'm going to look at our youthful driver package, which is what a lot of our customers have, and you can tell me what you think. Can we all do that? Pretty easy? Okay, let's break this down. This will set up your whole conversation. It removes sales pressure, but it tells Maddie what you're about to do and why you're about to do it. Where Sally is going to be a youthful driver in your household. That's my why about why I'm going to do this. I am going to look at our youthful driver package. I want to create like that name that creates curiosity, like, huh, well, what's that? Mike's like, huh, what's that? Pulls the customer in. It's general, okay? But I'm not asking, hey, Mike, are you okay if I look at this youthful driver package? I don't want to set myself up for an objection. I don't want the control to go to Mike here, right? I'm going to look at our youthful driver package, which is what a lot of our customers have, a little social proof, and you can tell me what you think, okay? Pretty simple there. Again, we'll come back to service pivot. Don't be looking at that yet.